how to go back to old Discord layout. So if you want to go back to old Discord layout, then first you need to check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, now if you go for the Discord and if you go for the settings, appearances or anything, you won't have the option of the oldest version, right? Because we don't have the option on Discord. So if you want to really get the old Discord layout back, then what you need to do is you just need to go for your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. Once you're on the browser, you need to go for the search and search for old Discord layout APK. Once you've searched here, you will have all of the websites that will provide you the oldest versions. So what you need to do is you just need to install older version of your application. So if you scroll down here, you will have support.discord.com, which will guide you. So here it says that if you are on Android, you can uninstall the Discord and you can go with this link to get the old mobile layout. So you can simply go for the link, or you can simply go for any one of these websites and then you can download the oldest versions. Once you've downloaded the oldest versions, then you will have the old Discord layout. But instead of that, you don't have any other option on your Discord application or on your Discord browser to get back the old Discord layout. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.